Now, let me show you how you can get the Pinterest widget on your Mac. So, as you are on the home screen, as you can see, or on the desktop, in the left panel, I have a couple of widgets. If you don't, just right click around that area or right click on any existing widgets. But you essentially want to get to the Edit Widgets section. This is what's going to show up from the bottom in here. And now the crucial part is that on the iPhone, which also uses the very same Apple account, you have the Pinterest app downloaded. Because as you can see, I can browse the widgets on my Mac, but some of them are from the built-in Mac apps, but others are from the iPhone. And if I keep on scrolling the options in here, I'm gonna be able to find the Pinterest in there. So as you can see, it is right in here. I can click on it, and there are these different sizes and options which I can add to my Mac, right? So for example, I choose this one, I add it in there, hit it done, and then now I can long press to, customize it. It is showing me. So as you can see, it opens and it jumps right into the connected phone Pinterest app because we don't have like a dedicated Pinterest app on the Mac, so it is all connected to it. So if you have the connection set up with your device, if you have been using the very same Apple account on both the Mac as well as the iPhone, and all of the versions of the software are up to date, then you'll be able to connect the widgets and add iPhone widgets, including Pinterest, to the desktop of your Mac. So that's the whole thing. That's how it works. Of course, you can resize it and so on, but that is essentially the whole thing. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.